In fact, the problem Governor Godwin Obaseki is going through is really painful and pathetic because it is really heartbreaking that the APC had to keep pushing and pushing about his certificate forgery case. And, while that election actually lasted, Ize Yamu said he wasn't going to file any suit against him except for the certificate forgery case that is how the PDP actually put those the case in court, that it wasn't them, but they are going to follow through with it. And they have been pressing on it so much to ensure that this governor does not, stay. But, Governor Godwin Obaseki, after his case was actually heard again yesterday, he also begged for an adjournment of the case till further notice. But we hope this will keep working for him. Remember the last time he also appealed for the adjournment of the case, but of course the judge back then said they will work things through and see how it happens. But this time around he has actually begged, and we don't know if it is adjourned or not, but right here I'll bring you the details if it was really adjourned or not and how that went by. More details will come to you shortly, but please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get updated anytime we drop a new video. Okay, right here it says, again, Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State on Tuesday told the Federal High Court in Abuja to adjourn the pre-election suit filed by the All Progressive Congress APC that is alleging that he forged certificates with which he used in securing his candidacy for the September 19 governorship election. Obaseki, through his lawyer Moses San, told the court that an indefinite adjournment of the matter was necessary to enable the Supreme Court to determine its appeal against the decision of Court of Appeal Abuja Division, which on December 16 dismissed his appeal for a stay of precedence in the matter. A three-man panel of the appellate court, presided by Stephen Ada, had on December 16 dismissed Obaseki and ordered daily hearing of the matter. When the matter resumed on Tuesday, Obaseki said that an indefinite adjournment of the matter was necessary to enable the Supreme Court to determine his appeal against the decision of Court of Appeal Abuja Division that dismissed his application for a stay of precedence in a matter at the Federal High Court. The trial court judge, Justice Ahmed Muhammad of Federal High Court, had on December 15th adjourned the matter indefinitely pending the decision of Court of Appeal. However, on December 15th, in its ruling, the appellate court dismissed Obaseki's application for lacking in merit and ordered that the matter be heard on daily basis. Chief Akin Olujimi's son, counsel to APC, explained that we met at the Court of Appeal on 16th of December, and the motion for stay was dismissed by Court of Appeal. The court was emphatic that in view of the provision of the Alterations Act, the lower court and Court of Appeal have no jurisdiction to stay proceedings in a pre-election matter where time is utmost of essence. The court therefore directed that trial court should continue with the proceedings, he said. He also informed the court he wrote through the deputy registrar forwarding the ruling of the appellate court and had prayed for 19th of December for hearing, but the court gave December 22nd. But Moses said it was inappropriate for the plaintiff to have written the court. He said the defendant was dissatisfied with the decision of Court of Appeal and had filed an appeal against it at the Supreme Court. Notice of appeal have been duly served. Notice of appeal have been duly served on the parties in this case. Record of appeal have been duly transmitted from Court of Appeal to Supreme Court on appeal number SC/CU/989/2020 between Godwin Obaseki and APC and 4 others. We have also filed an application praying the court for a stay of precedence in this court and praying also for stay in the ruling of the Court of Appeal delivered on December 16. We pray for a restraining order to stop the court from commencing enforcement of the Court of Appeal order. The status of the appeal have been brought via affidavit deposed to by one Ibrahim Olajide. Copies of notice of appeal and other reliefs mentioned were all exhibited in the affidavit. He further informed the court. We included certificate copy of enroll order of the Court of Appeal on Appeal CA128/2020, where in a similar situation at the Court of Appeal Benin, after delivering judgment, directed the trial court to continue with the proceedings in suit between Ken Asekome and others against APC. Where my brothers in the other side went to Supreme Court, we are still waiting, and this court acceded to their request. He exhibited the ruling of the Federal High Court. They should proceed before this court in same manner as they have a duty to continue to maintain that stance, that this court must await the determination by the Supreme Court, he said. According to him, a party has taken steps to contest the decision of the Court of Appeal at the Supreme Court because the ruling will be taken as final until the matter is resolved at the Supreme Court. He submitted that the appropriate course will be for the trial court to wait the decision of the Supreme Court. The second leg is that they appeared to protest, and as basis of protest was that a letter dated December 18 by the Chief Judge did not permit pre-election matter to be heard during vacation. Olujimi objected to the line of information stating that the appropriate way is bring formal motion exhibiting the document so that other parties can respond. It is not permitted to spring a surprise. He urged the court to rule the counsel out of order in the second leg of his argument, having failed to bring a formal application. The circular in question was from Chief Judge of Federal High Court to all judges, designating a period of Christmas of holiday. In his ruling, Chief Mohammed stood down the matter for 15 minutes and ordered Mozia to serve the plaintiff with the Chief Judge circular. The matter continues. Well, we hope that Obaseki will be able to get out of this because they said they will continue to hear this, but because of the holiday, they might have to, pend going forward some of these hearings. But all the same, we hope that because the governor has actually been doing some stuff, but we hope that since the people of Edo State actually voted him and they are sure exactly this is who they want, I hope that their wish really stays to the end. So guys, that is it from here. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to drop your comments and also give this video a thumbs up. Do have a pleasant time. Bye for now.